when we are going to import these passes, always keep in mind that don't start working. So if you need to start working with these, what you need to do, you need to press Alt and K. Alt K is going to be the clone thing. You can see we have C. C means a cloning thing. And always I can select it and press tab key. And here I can put this back drop. So now here, this is something I can tell you, that a color palette kind of thing, that you are an artist and artist needs the color palette. So I need this color, I can take this color and I can paint. I can take this color, I can paint. So this is somewhat the concept is, because of, suppose this read node is going to be using in a comp 5 times, right? So that means is what, if you don't clone it, what will happen if you need to update it? So you need to update from everywhere, right? So if I make a clone of it, then if I update this one, everything is going to be updated automatically because of it is linked with this. Now you can see this orange line is here, that is a expression line kind of thing. So if you need to hide it, press Alt and E. E for elephant or expression. So now you can see that we have this thing is disconnected, but visually, not internally. All right. So now you can see we can work with this one. And if you need to change, if I need to copy this, I can copy it, Alt C for copying and pasting at the same time. So I can copy this, no problem, because if I change this, because this is the father, this is a parent, and this is a child. If it is changing, it is changing automatically, like, So this is a very non-destructive workflow that you have to use in order to get rid of all the hassle while making any kind of comping and all. All right. So I get that you got the idea that how you're going to approach this kind of thing. Now, it's very easy to make a rebuild kind of thing of your, the first thing is going to be a rebuild thing. So we are not started the actual comping, right, yet. So something you have to do beforehand, before the comping and all. So this is a thing that you have to, consider to make a very good kind of comp, right?